All right, guys, so welcome to this video tutorial on how to create your YouTube channel. This is actually a series, right? We've held like about 3 videos before this particular video, and in this particular tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload video on your YouTube channel and how to optimize that video so that it gets seen and you get more views. Okay, so if you have not watched any of the previous videos, I would advise you to check the description below, and then you're going to get the links to the different videos in this series. Okay, so today we just want to go about how to upload video on your YouTube channel. So this is the YouTube channel that we created. As you see, we don't have any subscribers yet, so let me refresh it. Perhaps we'll have subscribers, but for now, we just created this YouTube channel, so I don't expect it to have any subscriber. Okay, so just waiting for it to finish loading. All right, so as you can see, we don't have any subscriber on this channel yet, right? Because over time I'm going to show you how to get subscribers and so on and so forth. So how do you upload how do you upload video to your YouTube channel? The first thing you want to do is when you log into your YouTube, either you're on YouTube or you are just on your bio. For example, let's go back to YouTube. We are on YouTube, and you can see these are the things that I'm seeing right now. So before you upload your video, there are certain things you need to do. You need to create what we call the thumbnail, right? Then you need to create the video itself. For example, what you're seeing, these pictures you're seeing here, before you click on the video, is called the thumbnail. The thumbnail can be generated from the video itself, right? And you can also create the thumbnail using the tool that I shown you before in the previous video. Now, the tool is Canva, right? But in this video, I'm not going to show you how to create the thumbnail using Canva. Just go to Canva, and maybe you can check my YouTube channel for different tutorials on how to create designs with Canva, right? So now, for example, now if you see this one, say how I made 70K on ST, right? So that is what we call thumbnail. This one says 14,000 per month in 90 days step by step. You see, that's also thumbnail. So all of these things are called thumbnail, right? So now either you are here or you are in your YouTube bio, you can always upload your video. You can also go to YouTube Studio to upload your video. That is if you're on your laptop like this. So I'm just going to go to the simplest one. For example, even if you are on mobile, right, you can just remember I told you can create and manage your YouTube channel using your mobile phone, especially if you are just starting. So I'm just going to go to create, and then I'll click on upload. Now you can also, you see we have 2 options here. You can also go live right now on YouTube, but I think there is a change in YouTube. Before you can go live, you need to be verified and have up to 100 subscribers, okay, before you can go live. But for this particular video, what you want to do is just to go to upload video. So I'm just going to click on upload video. As you can see, if you look at this, is you can see that it's actually taking us to the studio.youtube.com. So it's taking us back to the YouTube studio. Remember I told you that you can go and upload on the YouTube studio. But even if you're using if you are using the mobile app for YouTube, it won't take you to the studio, to just show you where to upload on your YouTube. So right now you can drag and drop video files to upload. Just drag it from your computer and drop it here, or you can click on select to upload it. So I'm just going to click on select files. So I will just go to there's a recording that I made on desktop, so I'm just going to click on the recording. So this is the recording. So I just recorded that screen. I recorded my laptop screen, okay? And then I'm just going to click on upload. So it's actually uploading right now. Okay, now as you will see that immediately it finished uploading. I mean, it has not finished uploading because definitely you can see that it's 83. You know, depending on your internet, it's going to determine how fast the upload is going to be. So now, but immediately I click on upload, you can see the name that shows here. That is why it is good, even before you upload your video, try to rename the video file as to what you want, but you can always rename it here. Okay, but what I usually love to do is to rename the video itself before even uploading. So here I'm gonna call this test recording. For enhanced business enhance. That is the name of the business that we were using. Okay, so test recording for business enhance. Now I want you to take note here. It's very, very important that you take note here. For, you know, this is where you have the description. This is the description of your video. For search engine, it's always good for you to write your description. Now I'm talking about optimizing your video right now. So for example, I could say in this video, so if you have other video or you want to write other things, you can just write there. But now notice something that I did there. I ensured that this keyword in the title is also here. Now it doesn't have to be together like that. For example, I could start like something like, maybe I'm writing something like how to upload video on YouTube. Maybe that's the title that we have here, right? So I'm going to ensure that how to upload or how to upload video on YouTube is actually in the description as well. Okay, that is because the search engine actually cross your title and also cross especially the first sentences that you write in the description. Okay, so now the video has been processed. Now if you look at this place, it's saying thumbnail. You know, I told you about thumbnail the other time. So this is where we choose the thumbnail. So it has automatically selected a thumbnail for us, and most times the thumbnail that YouTube selects is usually far better than any other thumbnail that you want to select from your video. But at some point, you know, you are still the one who knows what is best. So try to, you know, choose the thumbnail that you like best. Okay, so if I click on here now, you'll see the thumbnail is not really showing yet. Maybe it has not finished processing. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it as this. If you want to upload a thumbnail, just click on upload and then you can upload your thumbnail. So here, if you have a playlist, just add it to your playlist, but for now I don't have any playlist. Then is your video made for kids or not? So I'll just click on no, it's not made for kids. If you are creating videos that has to do with A, B, C, D or for kids, it's always good to put it here, say yes, it is for kids, but this video is not made for kids. So I'm just going to click on show advanced. You can decide to do all of this advanced, you know, but it's not compulsory, but it's good that you do it. So it says automatically add chapters when available. So this is usually maybe if your video is long and you have it into different chapters, it will automatically put the chapters for you. Then allow automatic places, right? Places mentioned in your video such as restaurants may be displayed in the video description section. So you can leave it like that. Then tags, this is very, very important. For example, my video is about business, so I could put business. I could also say business enhance. So this business enhance is now my own tag that I can be using in all my videos, right? Business enhance and so on and so forth. So video, yeah, YouTube video. Okay, so you know, you could say something like how to even upload video on YouTube. So I say how, that could also be a tag, how to upload video on YouTube. So I'm just going to delete the last video there, then put comma. So when you put comma, it's loaded, so you can write as many as possible, up to 500 characters. So I'm just going to leave that for now. This is just showing you an example of how to upload video on your YouTube. When you're uploading this on your smartphone, you might not be able to see all of these options, right? Just use the ones that you see. So video language, so I'm just gonna say English, right? Because the video language is actually English. You could, so I picked not applicable, no. So the video language the language that I use in the video is actually English. I'm just gonna scroll up to English. Okay, so if your English is United Kingdom, you could select it, especially if you're targeting just United Kingdom. So I'm just gonna say English. Okay, recording date, it is not compulsory, but it's good if you can also put recording date there. Allow embedding, these are some of the things that you would just leave. Then the category, people and blogs. So depending on your video, some people are entertainment, how to style. So this is one usually in how to style. This is how to style. Okay, so allow comments. If you want to allow comment, so you can say allow all comment, but hold potentially inappropriate comment for review. Okay, and you can increase the strictness. Then if you don't want comment on your video, you can disable it here. That is how to do it. Right, so this is also important. If you want to add subtitles, you can add it here. Then if you want to add end screen, sometimes when you're watching a video and then towards the end you'll see some other videos pop up on the screen, right? That is an end screen. But right now we don't even have any video on our channel, so this will not be applicable, so you just leave it there. So I just click on next. Introducing checks. Before you publish, we will check your video for copyright issues and help you resolve them. Now they've already checked it, that is why you could see here that no copyright issues, so we'll just leave it, close. Okay, so click on next again. Then if you want your video to be private, right? Maybe you don't have money to host online courses, right? Or you just want to create a video for yourself, which you don't want people to see yet, right? Or you just want to share with a few set of people through email. So this is where you can now share it. You will make it private. So you add the emails of people who, it has to be Gmail, of course. You add the email of people who you want to share the video with, right? That is private. For example, let's say you are selling an online course, you can as well make it this way and then collect their emails and share it with them privately. So only those people who you share the video with through email that you're able to see it. And this one, unlisted, anyone with the link can watch your video. So the difference between this one and this one is that anyone with the link to this video can watch it, even if you don't share with them. So let's say, for example, maybe you shared this video with me, right? And then I also share with other people, they will also be able to watch it. But if it is just this one, nobody except those people that you share through email with them that will be able to watch it, right? So then this one, sometimes people just use this one and then embed it on their website. Okay, then this one, public, everybody can see your video. Say, remember that anyone can see public video. So they are just trying to tell you what is possible. So then if you want to put it as set as instant premiere, so instant premiere means that the video will go live as if it's live, but it's recorded. Of course, we are just uploading it, but it's go live so that people can watch it. This is good, especially if you have a very long video. Okay, so you just check this as well, but for now we just want to publish it. Then if you want to schedule your video at a later date, you can come here and schedule it. Even if you want it to go live at that time, right? So let's say that you created an event or a video tutorial maybe for 1 hour and you want it to go live at a particular time. You can just set it and then it will go live at that time. Or you just want the video to be available maybe next week, right? You can come here and choose the dates. So this one, I'm just gonna click on save or publish, and then I'll make it public for now, and then I'll click on publish. So anyone with the link to this video or anyone on YouTube can actually just go and see this video. Okay, so now if you want to, if you want someone to see this video, all you need to do is to click here and then share this link with him or her. So let's copy this and paste it here, and then we'll see the video. All right, so you see this is our video, and you can see it's already playing, and this is the description, right? If you click here, you'll be able to see more, but that is everything that we wrote there. And then you see that people can actually drop comment, and you see other related video, okay, to this one. So that is how to upload video on YouTube. Just copy that link, share it with your friends. If you have created your own YouTube video using this tutorial, drop it in the comments and tell us what the video is about. Don't just drop the link. Write something, a short description of what the video is about. For example, if your video is about graphic design, say in this video I am teaching you how to design a graphic with so software or so tool, right? And then you put the link as well, and then let other people watch your video. I would be so happy to also watch your video. Those people will have all those things optimized. I'm going to like some of your videos by the time I watch it. If you have any question as regarding this tutorial, drop it in the comment section, and remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that anytime I post videos like this, you can get notified. If you want to join my email list where I share tips and tricks that I don't share anywhere, you will see the link inside of the description. Just join it, and I'm going to give you a free gift. Okay, I look forward to seeing you there. Okay, so till next time, see you in the next video.